Tired of manually copying lead info from WhatsApp into spreadsheets? Let's ditch the chaos and automate lead capture directly into Google Sheets using Aisensy's Flow Builder in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Flow Builder section. Click on Create New Flow to start building your lead capture sequence. Now, drag and drop a WhatsApp message node to initiate the conversation. Customize the message to engage your leads and ask for the information you need, like their name and email. Next, add a user input node after the WhatsApp message. This will allow users to enter their information. Configure the user input node for each field you want to capture, specifying the data type, like text for name and email for email address. Now, for the magic. Add a Google Sheets node. Authenticate your Google account and select the specific spreadsheet where you want to store your lead data. Within the Google Sheets node, map the data fields from your user input nodes to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. This tells Aisensy where to place each piece of information. Finally, connect all the nodes in the correct sequence: WhatsApp message to user input and user input to Google Sheets. Activate your flow, test it with your own WhatsApp number, and watch as lead information automatically populates your Google Sheet. Now you can streamline your lead generation and say goodbye to manual data entry.